I am going to sing a song. With no music, I'm going to sing it. And this is a song I really created. And it goes like this. I hit that river down the street. Now I'm going down to it. It was a long way to you. And I'm trying to think for you. It just can't belong to me. I can always think for everything. 'Cause I told you once, and now I'm telling you twice. Girl, when you ever gonna listen to me? 'Cause I never told you once, I never told you twice. So please just listen to me. I need you to go out there and please, please help me. 'Cause I trust in you. Come on, I need your help for me, please. Please.